Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the MD Plus Bio Hair Transplant Repair Set, a comprehensive hair care package designed to support the recovery and growth of your hair after a transplant. This set includes a shampoo, serum, and multivitamin supplements, all formulated with powerful ingredients aimed at reducing hair loss and promoting new hair growth. Let's get into the details, shall we? MD Plus Bio Hair Transplant Repair Set promises to accelerate your hair restoration process with 3 key products: a 100 milliliter shampoo, a 60 milliliter serum, and a 60-tablet supplement. It contains active ingredients like Capixyl, Redensyl, and Procapil. These are well known in the industry for their ability to enhance hair follicle health and stimulate growth. The set is also packed with vitamins, collagen, and keratin to nourish your scalp and hair from root to tip. The shampoo has a gentle formula with a pH balance of 6 to 6.2, making it suitable for those with sensitive scalps or those in the post-transplant recovery phase. The serum, which you apply directly to the scalp, is designed to target and nourish weakened hair follicles. The multivitamin supplements provide internal support, ensuring that your hair is getting the nutrients it needs to grow healthy and strong. Now, let's talk real-world testing. Over the course of several weeks, I incorporated this set into my routine to assess its effectiveness. The shampoo was easy to use, it lathered nicely, and left my scalp feeling clean without being overly harsh. The serum had a lightweight, non-greasy texture, which made it comfortable for daily use. I applied it directly to the scalp, massaging it in, and I noticed that my hair felt more nourished over time. The supplements were easy to swallow, and while I didn't notice immediate changes, I felt like I had more energy overall, which I attribute to the vitamins. In terms of strengths, the formula's focus on active ingredients like Capixyl, Redensyl, and Procapil is a definite plus. These are not just marketing buzzwords. They're well-researched compounds with solid backing for hair growth. The shampoo is mild, making it great for those who've undergone a hair transplant or suffer from scalp sensitivity. Plus, the inclusion of a multivitamin supplement shows the brand's commitment to holistic care for your hair, supporting both external and internal growth. On the flip side, the set's price is definitely on the higher end for a hair care regimen, and while the ingredients are high quality, the overall effectiveness can vary depending on your individual needs. For some, it might take longer to see visible results, and you may need to stick with the regimen for the full 3 months for the best outcome. When it comes to value for money, the set is priced at a premium, which is fairly typical for specialized post-transplant care products. However, considering the science-backed ingredients and the all-in-one nature of the set, I do think it offers good value for those serious about their hair restoration journey. In terms of alternatives, there are a few products on the market that target similar concerns, such as Revita Shampoo or the Nutrafol Hair Growth Supplement. Both are solid options, though Nutrafol is a bit more focused on internal hair health, while Revita is an excellent shampoo for stimulating hair follicles. As for build quality, the packaging is sturdy and well-designed, and the products themselves have a professional, clean look. I did not experience any issues with leakage or poor packaging quality, which is a good sign. Now, the most important part. Who is this product for? If you're undergoing a hair transplant or dealing with thinning hair, this set might be a good option to consider. It provides both external and internal support, which is essential for long-term hair health. However, if you're simply looking to boost hair thickness or fight shedding without any recent hair procedures, there are other products at a lower price point that may suit your needs. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To wrap things up, the MD Plus Bio Hair Transplant Repair Set is a solid choice for individuals recovering from hair transplant procedures, offering both internal and external support with effective ingredients. However, its high price point and the need for consistent use may make it less accessible for everyone. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear about your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.